In this demo, we'll show how to create an Access web application using the issue tracking template. To start with, I'll go to the Start screen and start Access 2013. Now I can select the issue tracking template. Access has templates installed locally as well as many more available online. The desktop databases are installed locally and you can see a globe logo for the other templates that will use cloud storage. Now I just need to type in the name for the database. We're going to use a SharePoint site that has already been configured in Office. I'll cover the steps to do this in a later demo, but for now I'll just select the SharePoint site and select Create. This is not just creating a database, but it also creates the web interface for the database, and so anyone with access to this site will be able to use my application from a browser. It takes a few seconds for the tables and the client interface to be created, but now we have a fully functioning web app. We can add tables to the online database, or you can upload existing data using the links at the bottom of the screen. We're now going to launch the web application to see what our database will be like for users. And we're just going to enter a few details for a customer in this demonstration, and so I'll type values into the field for just one employee. As an aside, this is an example of the reason that telephone numbers are stored as text strings rather than in numeric fields. These phone numbers have dashes, which would translate as minuses if this was a numeric field, and also leading zeros would be removed. We can now select Save and close Internet Explorer. Back in Access, I'll double-click Customers to have a look at the data. Initially we are taken to Design View, but we can quickly change this to display the data by clicking the View button. Because we're creating a public-facing database, it is important that it is secure, and so we need to provide our username and password. We can now see the data that was entered on the Internet. We now have a fully functioning web-based multi-user database application. How easy was that? Let's have a quick look at how we could change the website design. I just have to select the navigation pane and double-click the customer list form. From here, we can see the design of the web form that we use to enter the customer. We can change the fields, layout and formatting of the web page to meet our requirements. Now you can have a go at creating a database yourself.